Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can take a look at potential future areas of resistance. So first off, the ideal level of support. Meaning if you were to say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? In my opinion, that would be if the price can stay up here above the 33-cent mark. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 33 cents, by no means am I sitting here saying that that means the entire chart's ruined. Not saying that at all. But if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would, like I said, be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout range area, and that sits down there at 29 cents. So 33 cents, 29 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's saying, look, Clay, I just want a very simplistic way to measure the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. So you want to measure the health of that. Like I said, easiest way to do that, watch that purple line. And as time goes by and as that line moves itself higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are in full health. No questions asked. What about potential areas of resistance? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, and this is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. Just goes to show that the chart hasn't been up this high for quite a while. So next key overall area of resistance right up there at the 37-cent mark. If you go back through the history of the chart and look back here, you can see that very clearly. This level at 37 cents, the bulls tried several times to break through it, and just time after time, the bears kept smacking it down. So it's still got a ways to go, but as far as, big picture, 37 cents is definitely that next key battleground. But all in all, as long as the price just starts and continues to build higher bases, the long-term chart will begin to take care of itself. So by no means am I saying that 37 cents has to be broken tomorrow. No, just have higher lows being built, and as long as that happens, the chart will take care of itself, which does include breaking areas of resistance. So great day today. We'll see if the bulls can continue it tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.